Good evening, Mr. Chetan.
Yes, sir.
Chetan is from which state?
Sir, I am from Udaipur, Rajasthan.
अच्छा, what is your family? Family का बारे में कुछ बताइए.
Sir, in my family there are four person. My parents and my sister and me. My,
So,
my,
sister,
my,
what is
my
she doing? Sister,
sir, she is married and she is preparing for the teaching exams.
excellent. पिताजी क्या काम करते हैं?
So my father is a retired teacher.
Very good. Mother,
Mother is a homemaker.
good. And you are now working. When did you complete your CA?
Sir, in 2021.
अच्छा, good. Do they give you marks at the end of the CA certification or not?
Yes, sir. In mark they give mark sheet and certificate differently.
अच्छा,
They give
मार्कशीट
mark sheet.
मार्कशीट में आपको कितना परसेंटेज मार्क आया?
And I need to have a total 200 and I got 212, 213.
So 200 is the cutoff, pass mark,
Yes, sir.
correct?
Yes,
Oh,
sir. Yes.
that's okay, fine. Good, very good. What are you doing nowadays? Since
Sir,
completing, तब से आप काम कर रहे हैं ना क्या? कहाँ काम कर रहे हैं?
sir, I'm with CFM. I'm working in internal audit department and also doing internal audit of the banks and some income tax and accounting work with CFM.
Excellent. Now, you go for concurrent audits in the branches,
Not
banks?
sir, bank, not no, not for banks. I have done internal audit for a few banks, not much, but I have done internal audit for some companies. Like I have done internal audit for Amul.
Amul, there is a milk powder.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Achha, that is right. Good. Now you are a chartered accountant.
Yes, sir.
So what is your experience regarding income tax? So how income tax files are being filed, returns are filed, what suggestions you give for individuals, what suggestions you give for companies in order to see that there are no problem, how to save or legally income tax.
Sir, for income tax in case of individuals, when the new income tax rates came.
अब हिंदी में भी बात कर सकते हैं क्योंकि
Okay, sir.
बैंक में they will be very happy if you talk in हिंदी. हमारा हिंदी
Okay.
फॉलो हो जाएगा, कोई तकलीफ नहीं, आप हिंदी में बोल सकते हैं. नॉट दैट
Okay.
यू आर नॉट एबल टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश, बट आपको हिंदी में डिलीवरी अच्छा होगा.
So,
दैट्स व्हाट आई फील. व्हाट डू यू थिंक? ट्राई कर लीजिए,
okay,
हिंदी
sir.
में ट्राई कर लीजिए, हिंदी में ट्राई
Okay, sir.
कीजिए. आपको तकलीफ होगा तो अंग्रेजी में चला जाओ, कोई बात नहीं.
Okay. So for individuals, there are two tax regimes, old tax regime and new tax regime. ओल्ड टैक्स रिजिम में सर ऑप्शंस होते थे कि आप डिडक्शंस ले सकते हो, 80s में बहुत सारे इन्वेस्टमेंट्स कर सकते हो, उसके बाद में आपको मतलब टैक्स बचाने के बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस आपको मिलते थे इन ओल्ड टैक्स रिजिम. बट इन न्यू टैक्स रिजिम दे आर वेरी लेस टैक्स डिडक्शन ऑप्शंस. So in case if a person have income more than 7 lakhs, so it is better for him to go for new tax regime. But if income is below 7 lakh and between 5 to 7 lakh, it is good for him to take old tax regime. And
Okay. So now the question is how to save income tax.
इनकम टैक्स फॉर इंडिविजुअल्स में सेव करने के लिए बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस है. लाइक एटीसी में अगर आप इन्वेस्टमेंट करते हैं और फॉर 1.5 लाख की तक की इनकम में है तो आपका वो डिडक्शन माइनस हो जाएगा, उसमें से इनकम में से माइनस हो जाएगा. और फिर उसमें भी अगर आपने लोन लिया हुआ, होम लोन लिया हुआ, तो प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट माइनस होती है, उसके बाद में इंटरेस्ट भी उसमें माइनस होता है. तो होम लोन लेने की वजह से आपका इनकम टैक्स रिडक्शन लायबिलिटीज काफी कम हो जाती है उसकी वजह से. तो वो एक भी एक बेटर ऑप्शन है. उसके बाद में अगर आप एनपीएस वगैरह आपका करता है तो वो उसमें भी आपको डिडक्शन मिलता है उसमें. फिर उसके बाद में बहुत सारी इंटरेस्ट अगर इनकम से, तो इंटरेस्ट के केस में भी आपका वो माइनस होता है उससे. तो दे आर वेरियस ऑप्शंस.
वेरी गुड, दैट्स राइट. कंपनीज के लिए क्या बात बताएंगे आप?
कंपनीज के लिए थोड़ा स्ट्रक्चर मतलब डिटेल होता है, लेकिन कंपनीज में बहुत सारे फायदेमंद ये चीज है कि बहुत सारे एक्सपेंसेस क्लेम कर सकते हो आप, हर एक्सपेंसेस का क्लेम कर सकते हो। कोई भी अगर असेट्स आपने परचेस किए तो यू कैन क्लेम द जीएसटी ऑफ इट। मतलब पूरा का बर्डन आप कस्टमर पे शिफ्ट कर सकते हैं। यू नीड नॉट टू पे एनी जीएसटी ऑन योर ओन। आपको एक तरफ से आउटपुट टैक्स पे लेना है और इनकम टैक्स आईटी से इसका क्लेम करना है, तो पूरा का पूरा जीएसटी आपका माफ हो सकता है। उसके बाद बहुत सारे, अगर कोई कंपनी जो न्यू इंडस्ट्री वगैरह लगाती है तो उनमें बहुत सारे टैक्स रिडक्शन है। और मतलब उसमें टैक्स रेट भी बहुत कम लगती है। जैसे अगर 115 बी ए करके एक अलग स्कीम है, उसमें अगर कोई कंपनी न्यू मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट अगर लगाती है तो उसमें उनका सिर्फ 15% टैक्स लगता है पर साल भर तक का। तो दिस इज वेरी गुड ऑप्शन फॉर
Good. So do you have experience of helping the companies for filing income tax returns, or you only go for auditing?
No, I have major experience in audit, sir.
Only audit. Very
Yes, sir.
good. Now, regarding audits, what are the different financial and statutory audits in India?
Sir, they are uh, statutory audit as per Companies Act. Tax audit is there. Then their internal audit. Some companies also can make their own internal audit, like Amul, large companies. Bank also make internal audits. फिर indirect taxes में भी audits होते हैं various. So there are various audits.
GST audit भी होता है,
GST audit is
correct.
there. Yes, sir.
Cost audit भी होता है.
Cost audit भी होता है, yes, sir.
Then bank audit भी होता है. Then forensic audit भी होता है. Then trust and cooperative society audit.
Yes, sir.
ऐसा में भी बहुत कुछ है. I am giving the link of a particular site in our. Are you a member of our PNB group?
Yes, sir. I think I am.
You are not member
Yes,
of
sir.
any group? Any group?
No,
Are you?
I am, sir. I am, sir.
Acha.
And WhatsApp or Telegram, sir?
WhatsApp only.
Yes, I am. I am the member.
Yeah. Telegram में हमने दिया नहीं. Any group? I have not started any group
I
in
think
that.
one group is there.
Yeah,
You have.
group is there, but
Yes,
उसमें
sir.
I'm not making it membership oriented and all that. सबको दे दिया वो.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
So would you like to tell something more about audits? Audit का बारे में जो कुछ बात आपको मन में आ रहा है उसका
Yes,
बारे में बता दीजिए. Whatever you
sir.
want to speak about audit.
Yes, sir. सर ऑडिट का बेसिक फंक्शन ये होता है कि वट एवर इज रूल्स मेड बाय द मैनेजमेंट और रूल्स अप्लाई टू दैट कंपनी फ्रॉम द इनकम टैक्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू और फ्रॉम एनी आरबीआई पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू और फ्रॉम एनी अदर लॉज पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू that rules are being followed or not, whether the balance sheets and financial statements are showing their true and real picture or not, whether there are any discrepancies or not, we have to find this. Whether there are any fraud committing employees are making any frauds or not, we have to find it. All these things I think in audit is very important for this. Also मतलब हमें ये भी पता लगाना था कि जैसे टैक्स लायबिलिटीज है, तो टैक्स लायबिलिटीज मतलब जितना टैक्स बन रहा है उसका कंपनी उतना पे कर रही है या नहीं कर रही है, इट इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
So do you know there has been some change regarding taxation of income from equity mutual funds? उसका बारे में आपने पढ़ा है?
Equity mutual fund, no sir, sorry sir.
Equity mutual funds are taxed in the same manner as equity shares are taxed. Dividend income from equity mutual funds, it was exempt
Sir,
in the, I will show you this. Why don't you read it
yes,
yourself?
earlier it was exempt, now it is taxable for more than I think 1
अभी
lakh or 10 lakh.
अभी इसको पढ़ लीजिए ना.
Yes, sir.
Dividend income from equity mutual funds.
Dividend income from equity mutual fund, it was exempt in the hands of investors up to 31st March 2020. It is taxable with the effect from 1st April 2020. Dividend income is taxable under the other sources of income as per the slab rates.
Okay. Long-term capital gain.
Capital gain on the equity mutual fund. When any investment in equity mutual fund is sold after 1 year, it is classified under long-term capital gain or loss. It was exempt up to 31st March 2018. It is taxable with effect from 1st April 2018 at the rate of 10% under section 112A if the gains expected exceeds rupees 1 lakh in a financial year. Investments made up to 31st March 2018 and sold after that date will enjoy tax exemption to the extent of gains earned up to 31st March 2018.
So
Indexation is not.
you told this point correctly. 1 lakh.
Yes, sir, 1 lakh.
Yeah,
Above 1
continue.
lakh.
Yeah, continue.
Indexation is not available for long-term equity mutual funds. There is also a deduction of up to 1,50,000 or on investment in certain long-term equity mutual funds under the equity-linked saving scheme. Security transaction tax is charged on the sale of long-term equity mutual funds. STT is a different tax that income tax, which is levied on the transactions in certain securities in the stock market. Short-term capital gain on the equity mutual fund. When any investment in equity mutual fund is sold before 1 year, it is classified under the short-term capital gain or loss. It is taxed at the rate of 15% under section 111A. Indexation is not available for short-term equity mutual funds. Security transaction tax is charged on the sale of short-term equity mutual funds.
Now, my question is this. Supposing it
Yes,
is
sir.
classified as a short term, and even if he gets earnings in lakhs, will he be taxed only 15%, or will he be taxed as per the slab rate in which he is falling?
No, sir. No, sir. In short-term capital, it is directly taxable 15%. It
Oh,
will not come into slab rate.
अच्छा, good. Thank you. ये लिंक भी आपको दे रहा हूँ.
Okay, sir.
बाद में आपको जो यूज होगा आप कर लीजिए.
Yes, sir.
I don't know for it will be PMB. Yeah. Now, next question for you. Just a minute. Next question for you. I think I have covered audit for you. Now, tell me something about GST, because any chartered accountant means they are very fond of GST. So they will
Yes, sir.
ask something or other on GST. उसका बारे में कुछ बता दीजिए.
So GST is an indirect tax which was levied on 1st July 2017. GST को लेवी करने के लिए बहुत सारे टैक्सेस को मर्ज कर दिया गया था, जिसमें कि वन टैक्स वन नेशन वन टैक्स की अवधारणा को मतलब इसमें इंक्लूड कर दिया गया था. जीएसटी सर बहुत सारी चीजों में लगता है और एज ए मैन्युफैक्चरर जीएसटी अल्टीमेट कस्टमर के पास को लगता है. जैसे एक अगर एक कंपनी है तो वो मतलब आउटपुट जितना सेल करेगी उस पर जीएसटी लगेगा और उसके बाद में उसमें से उसकी जितना उसने परचेस किया उस पर जीएसटी माइनस हो जाएगा. तो अल्टीमेटली वो जो जीएसटी बेयर करेगा वो कस्टमर बेयर करेगा. मैन्युफैक्चरर या कंपनी जो सेल कर रही है उस पर जीएसटी लाइबिलिटी अल्टीमेटली नहीं आएगी, उसके एक्सपेंस में नहीं होगी वो.
अच्छा, what are the returns to be submitted for GST?
So there are GSTR 1 for purchase, GSTR 2B for sales, GSTR 3B for consolidation, and GSTR 4 for annual return.
Good, very good. You were able to tell this very confidently. I am happy. Good. Now let me come to the other aspects of your chartered accountancy. What is your critical aspects in finalization of the accounts in industries?
Yes, sir. In case of industry, sir, it's a
You can
companies.
take any industry. Don't tell the name of industry. And
Okay.
इस इंडस्ट्री पर मेरा क्रिटिकल एस्पेक्ट ये है, ऐसा बता दीजिए.
यस सर. और जैसे हम एक अमूल का एग्जांपल लेता हूँ मैं, वहाँ पे उनकी फाइनेंशियल तो उनकी उसकी इसमें सर फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट में उनकी जो डिफरेंट असेट्स आएगी वो आएगी. जैसे कि उनकी जो मेजर्स जो असेट्स होती है लाइक उनका इन्वेंट्री सबसे बड़ा उनके असेट्स होती है. बहुत सारी लार्ज स्केल पे तो उनका इन्वेंट्री बहुत होता है. तो इन्वेंट्री को प्रॉपर वैल्यूएशन करेंगे हम. जैसे इंडेक्स 2 में हम उसको वैल्यूएशन करते हैं तो वो प्रॉपर उसका वैल्यूएशन हुआ है नहीं हुआ हमें देखना होगा. उसके बाद में उनके जो एक्सपेंसेस हो गए, उनके लार्ज एक्सपेंसेस जो होते हैं उनकी वेजेस के एक्सपेंसेस होते हैं, उनके जो एम्प्लॉइज होते हैं उनके वो ट्रैवलिंग के लिए करते हैं. तो दैट इज टीएडी के उनके एक्सपेंसेस होते हैं बहुत सारे. तो वो एक्सपेंसेस उनको प्रॉपर्ली एज पर द इनकम टैक्स रूल्स जो जितना डिडक्शन मिलना चाहिए उतना डिडक्शन उन्होंने लिया है, कम लिया है, ज्यादा लिया, वो एज ऑडिटर या एक सीए आपको देखना होगा. उसके बाद में जो असेट्स पे जो डेप्रिसिएशन लगाया है वो डेप्रिसिएशन की प्रॉपर रेट से लगाया नहीं लगाया, अगर ओवर वैल्यूएशन या अंडर वैल्यूएशन तो नहीं कर दिया, जैसे कि प्रॉफिट पे इफेक्ट आया है वो तो नहीं कर दिया है, वो हमें देखना होगा। उसके बाद में उनके जो इन्वेस्टमेंट्स है, उन इन्वेस्टमेंट्स को भी अगर प्रॉपर्ली दिखाया गया है नहीं दिखाया गया एज पर द जो AS13 में जो इन्वेस्टमेंट्स की जो अकाउंटिंग और इन्वेस्टमेंट्स के रूल्स है उनके अकॉर्डिंग उसको किया गया नहीं गया, ये भी हमें प्रॉपर्ली देखना होगा।
Good. Now, how is, say, how to compose a trial balance for a company? आजकल ट्रायल बैलेंस कंपोज करते हैं नहीं करते हैं?
नहीं
जरूरत
सर,
होता
क्योंकि
है नहीं?
आजकल तो नहीं सिंगल एंट्री का सारा अपने आप बनता है अब तो this is वो ये तो बुकिश के लिए सिर्फ पढ़ाने के पर्पस के लिए रह गया अब तो,
अभी
मतलब जनरल एंट्री करते ही सारे
अभी
बन जाते हैं।
कंपनीज में तो nobody is taking trial balance ना?
नहीं सर, लेते हैं मैनेजर अकाउंट्स के इसको टेक इन तो करते हैं, बट मतलब उनको बनाना नहीं पड़ता ट्रायल बैलेंस अलग से।
अच्छा अच्छा, वेरी
यस
गुड.
सर,
देयर इज नो नीड कंपल्सरी टू प्रिपेयर.
एज ये फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स में भी नहीं आता, इसलिए अलग से इसको बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है।
कैन यू टॉक अबाउट डिफरेंट हेडिंग्स? व्हाट इज अकाउंट्स रिसीवेबल?
Accounts receivable is a part of the balance sheet which is shown in the debits, sorry, asset side of the balance sheet. अकाउंट रिसीवेबल में उन कस्टमर्स का डेटा शो करते हैं जो कि हमें 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 मतलब जिनसे हमें पैसा रिसीव करना है, और एज ऑन डेट हमें कितना पैसा रिसीव करना है, माइनस जितना बेड डेट्स हो गया वो उसको माइनस कर देंगे, उसके बाद में जो क्लोजिंग बैलेंस है उसको हम शो करेंगे बैलेंस शीट में।
No, no, as an auditor, correct me. Accounts receivable may, will it include only those things for which we have supplied goods? हमारा डेटर्स का होगा और दूसरा कुछ क्रेडिट लोन्स भी उसमें ऐड होगा. Do you
सर
understand my
बेस
point? Do you get my point? See,
सर इसमें
some X company is supplying goods to customers. So that
यस
is
सर,
a debtor. So that amount is a receivable. I know. Only that amount will be included under accounts receivable,
सर इन
or
डेटा दैट विल बी इंक्लूडेड।
some other items also will be included. Supposing
यस
this company has given some loan to sister concern, 10 lakhs, and like that. So all those things will be appearing under accounts
यस सर,
receivable.
यस सर, यस सर, यस।
Yeah.
यानी कुछ स्मॉल लोन वगैरह दे रखे हैं तो वो अगर आ जाएंगे अपना
उसमें आ
अकाउंट
जाएगा.
रिसीवेबल में।
Can you
यस
talk
सर।
on inventory?
सर इन्वेंट्री इज अ मेजर पार्ट ऑफ एनी ट्रेडिंग और मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंसर्न। इन्वेंट्री वैल्यूएशन इज एज पर अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड 2। इसमें हम ये देखते हैं कि इन्वेंट्री का वैल्यूएशन कॉस्ट और मार्केट वैल्यू विच इज लोअर है तो उस पे शो होना चाहिए इन्वेंट्रीज को।
But you told nicely, but लेकिन एक important word अपने छोड़ दिया. Inventory refers to the stocks, that is raw material, work in process and finished goods.
फिनिश गुड, यस सर।
ऐसा बोलना है. ठीक है.
ओके।
What are fixed assets?
Fixed assets are, sir, non-current assets which are used by the companies or firms for more than 1 year. Their benefit is taken by the companies for more than 1 years, और उसी पे डेप्रिसिएशन भी लगाना होता है ताकि उससे मतलब एज ऑन ओपनिंग बैलेंस में डेप्रिसिएशन माइनस करके जो WDV है, मतलब जो एज ऑन डेट जो क्लोजिंग बैलेंस बचता है वही बैलेंस शीट में दिखाएंगे हम आफ्टर डिडक्टिंग डेप्रिसिएशन।
Good. Then there is one word that is coming known as common stock. What is that common stock?
The common stock is considered used for the equities,
Acha,
in
acha.
which we can uh,
What are
equity.
retained earnings?
So retained earnings are the profits which are not distributed to the shareholder. It is shown in the reserve portion.
What is export trade?
So export trade is a trade beyond the boundaries of a domestic country, boundaries of a country. It is when a company does the international business, it can be termed as export trading.
What is privatization of companies?
The privatization of companies is that when किसी कंपनी में 51% से ज्यादा शेयर होल्डिंग अगर पब्लिक की है तो उसको प्राइवेटाइज मतलब उसमें प्राइवेटाइज मान सकते हैं.
What are the limitations of financial analysis?
सर फाइनेंशियल एनालिसिस की बहुत सारे लिमिटेशन जैसे हैं, जैसे कि हम फाइनेंशियल एनालिसिस में हम प्योरली डेटा पे डिपेंड करते हैं, लेकिन समटाइम्स अगर डेटा ही अगर मतलब मैलाफाइड है तो उस केस में हम हमारे मतलब कितना भी एनालिसिस कर लें वो हमें रिजल्ट्स रॉन्ग ही देंगे. उसके बाद में इसके फाइनेंशियल एनालिसिस में हम जो क्वालिटेटिव असेट्स हैं उनका कंसिडरेशन नहीं करते हैं. जैसे अगर किसी कंपनी में बहुत अच्छे एम्प्लॉयज हैं तो फिर भी उनको हम बैलेंस शीट में शो नहीं कर सकते. तो ये एक लिमिटेशन है.
What are the tools of analysis of financial statements?
Sir, there are various tools like ratio analysis is there. Then cash flow statement is there.
I am seeing
Profit and
some
loss account.
I am seeing two other things here: common size statements, then comparative statements. I am giving one more link for you.
Okay, sir.
But these are all nothing when compared to what you have studied. आप लोग ज़्यादा पढ़ा है. This is nothing very big, but still आप थोड़ा use कर लीजिए. No problem.
Okay, sir.
Good, very good. Up till now, you have been answering very well to my satisfaction. Good. Talk about the heads of income which are needed to calculate total income for an individual.
Sir, are you asking income tax point of view?
Income tax point of view.
Yes, sir. In income tax, it's there is salary, then house property, then capital gain, and other sources.
Good. Very good. Good. So these are all individual income tax. I'm not going very much into this. Can you tell me what is gratuity? Have you
Sir,
heard about it?
gratuity. Yes, I have heard about it. So gratuity is the committed amount which an employee receives when he retires. I think it's after 5 years, 5 or 20 years. I'm not sure, but out of 5 years of service, he will get the
No,
gratuity.
5 years. 5 years का बाद में आपको gratuity मिलेगा.
Yes.
For every year, 15 days salary.
15 days salary.
Every year.
Okay.
Every year, if you serve, you will be getting only 15 days salary. Of course, that salary is based on the current salary
Okay, sir.
at the time of retirement.
Okay.
Okay, very good.
Yes, sir.
What are the things you know about our Central Bank of India?
Sir, Central Bank of India is one of the leading public sector bank, which was established in 1911 by Sarjit. And it was one of the first Indian bank which was fully owned and controlled by the Indians. MD and CEO of current MD and CEO of the Central Bank of India is Mr. M.V. Rao, and he is also the chairman of the Indian Bank Association, which was recently involved in the 12th bipartite settlement. The current financial, as per the current recently ended financial year 31st March 2024, the balance sheet, the total business of the bank is 6.36 lakh crore, in which total deposits are 3.85 lakh crore and advances are 2.51 lakh crore. The bank has earned highest ever profit of 2,500 crores and its gross NPA is 4.5% and net NPA is 1.23%. It has CRAR of 15.02% and it has CASA ratio of 50.02%. It has
CASA is
CD ratio.
50.
Yes,
CASA is 50%. Very good.
yes, 50.02%.
Oh, great, Baba. Good.
Yes, sir. It has CD ratio of 65.59%, and Central Bank of India has more than 32,000 employees. It
अच्छा,
has
उनका वेबसाइट में जाने से तो ओनली एनुअल रिपोर्ट्स अप टू 2022-23 मिल रहा है. आपको ये सब फिगर कहाँ से मिला? मनी कंट्रोल से मिला?
नहीं सर, वेबसाइट से ही लिया मैंने, वेबसाइट पे है सर.
वेबसाइट पर ओनली
Yes.
2022-23 इज देयर.
I don't know, but I have taken from the website itself.
अंडर विच हेडिंग इट विल कम?
In the investor selection, I need to see, sir.
1 minute.
I have that PDF with me.
One minute. I will see this. Reservation, lead, district managers, RBI mandatory recommendation, details of ICC members, chief liaison, general information, policies, procedures, financial inclusion, important link, then COVID relief, government business, MSME. About us में आएगा ना क्या?
No,
About
sir,
us,
I think no, it's an investor.
about us में
investor.
आ सकता है, correct. About
So that,
us,
sir, उसमें तो static data होगा.
code for conduct subsidiaries, Basel
Sir,
to
investor
Basel.
relation में होगा.
Investor relations, correct. Investor relation किधर आए? एक मिनट ठहरिए, बिकॉज हाँ आ गया, मिल गया जी. इन्वेस्टर रिलेशंस मिल गया, इन्वेस्टर रिलेशंस मिल गया. और इसमें से डिस्क्लोजर नहीं चाहिए, बैंक्स मिशन डॉक्यूमेंट्स नहीं चाहिए, शेयर होल्डिंग पैटर्न. बाप रे बाप, इतना स्टेटमेंट दिया, क्या करेगा? फ्रीक्वेंटली आस्क्ड क्वेश्चंस. हमारा फाइनेंशियल रिपोर्ट्स ऑफ सब्सिडरीज, इंफॉर्मेशन, फाइनेंशियल इंफॉर्मेशन, intimation, financial results, audited and consolidated financial results for the quarter ended March 2024. ये वाला देखना है, correct?
Yes, sir.
1 minute. अगर आप ये काम करो ना, if you have written it properly, एक बार उसको हमको भेज दो. Of course, there are no other students for central bank. कोई आने से तो यूज कर सकते हैं. Yeah.
Okay, just a
But
second, sir. I'll send you.
yeah, if you have that, if you can send it, it will be helpful for using about
Sir,
it.
I have a PDF in which there is a meeting, excerpts
अच्छा
of
अच्छा,
meeting.
प्रेस रिलीज कुछ है? प्रेस रिलीज कुछ है?
Yes, I have that. Okay.
तब तो भेज दीजिए उसको. कैन यू प्लीज सेंड इट टू मी?
Just a second, sir. Sir, it's currently I'm.
नो प्रॉब्लम, आप बाद में भेज दीजिए, अभी अर्जेंट.
Yes, I'll send. I'll send.
बाद में भेज दीजिए, अभी अर्जेंट नहीं है. गुड. Now let me concentrate on other areas about credit management. I have not gone into credit yet. अभी जाएगा. What is the present repo rate?
6.5%.
What is the present bank rate?
6.25%.
6.75. 6.25 is standing deposit facility rate.
Yes, sir. SDF.
What is the reverse repo rate?
It's 3.35%.
What is the present CRR?
Sir, it's 4.5%.
On what?
On, sir, DTIL,
NDTL.
NDTL, sorry, sir.
Net demand and
Time
liability.
liability.
Yeah. What is SLR now?
Sir, SLR is 18%.
Have you heard of the term FLPC? वो क्या है?
Sorry, sir.
हमने FLPC. कोई जगह पर हमने पढ़ा था. बाद में.
No, sir, I have not heard it.
It is fair practice code for lenders. 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 fair
sir, I have not
practice code for lenders. समझ गया?
Yes, sir.
ये तो नया चीज है. So what is the basis on which bank is charging interest nowadays?
So it's bank MCLR, marginal cost of lending based
Right.
rate
At
plus
what
spread.
risk? At what risk is being calculated? Is it calculated every day or every
No,
week?
no,
Hello?
not at all.
At what
Sorry, sir.
risk? At what risk? Is it done quarterly, off yearly, yearly? Or what?
Sorry, sir. I have no idea about it.
You don't know. It is now done
No.
monthly. You must know that.
Monthly.
It has been done
So is it done by
even
bank
when
or
e-
RBI?
even when I was in bank 2001, I think at that time itself they started calculating every month.
So
Every
is it
month,
calculated by RBI
but
or banks?
no, banks are calculating interest on their loans on
Okay.
cumulative basis monthly.
Okay.
Then only they will get more interest, cumulative.
Yes, sir.
And but only in the case of agricultural loans, it is being charged once in 6 months.
Okay.
Yeah, that is the thing. These things you can know. Very good. Excellent. Now, can you please tell me um, what is net working capital?
So net working capital is current assets minus current liabilities.
Good. What is debt equity ratio?
So formula for debt equity ratio is total debt divided by total equities. And
Correct.
it is
Total debt divided by equity. Good, good, good. Then can you explain DSCR?
Sir, debt service coverage ratio is a ratio which is calculated to assess the capability of a person to pay his debts. The formula to calculate this is net operating income divided by its debt obligations, that is interest plus principal amount.
1 minute, 1 minute. Yeah. Now, where are we here? I was asking about these questions. Now, 1 minute. Hold on. Yeah. Now, can you tell me what do you understand by kite flying?
No, sorry, sir. I have not heard it.
Kite flying is a situation where parties issue checks without providing funds. And in order to accommodation bill सुना होगा आपने? सुना है?
Yes, sir.
A वाला है.
Accommodation.
Accommodation bills का मतलब without providing funds, they start issuing check from here to there. They want you to purchase. They will delay the presentation. They will use the money for that many number of days.
Okay.
समझ गया?
Yes, sir.
Good. But this one, I'm not sure whether you would have read it. What is total return swap?
No,
It
sir. I
is
have not
there.
heard it.
It is there in banking circles. आप थोड़ा हमारा बुक को पेज नंबर 53 पढ़ लीजिए. I have given
Okay,
you a
sir.
book, that small book on certified credit professional. In that book,
Okay, sir.
page number 53 में मिलेगा. Note कर लीजिए.
Okay, sir.
Can you tell me about the names of credit rating agencies in India?
Sir, Indian companies or global?
Indian company. Any company you tell me.
Sir, Standards and Poor.
No.
Which
Standard and Poor will go to foreign. ना. हमारा कंपनी का नाम बताइए इंडिया का.
CRISIL,
हाँ
ICRA,
हाँ.
Moody's, I think it's foreign company.
सिबिल also ना.
Yes, sir. CIBIL.
सिबिल और भी थोड़ा पढ़ लीजिए, बाद में देख लीजिए. Okay, very
Yes, sir.
good. Then do you know about Basel III norms? How it is implemented for what is the total capital adequacy ratio for banks nowadays as per Basel III norms?
Sir, it's 11.5%.
Correct. Good. Very good. Can you explain return on equity?
So return on equity is an profitability ratio which is calculated to assess the returns a company have earned on its equity. The formula is
Super.
the net
What
profit.
is stock turnover ratio?
The stock turnover ratio is a ratio which is used to calculate how many times a company has sold its stock in a year.
Can you tell me in banks, how do they calculate for eligibility for working capital? What are the three methods that are used?
So in working capital calculation, there are three methods which are first is turnover method, for which it is used for the up to turnover up to 5 crore. In this, bank will provide 20% of the projected turnover. The second is MPBF method, that is maximum permissible bank finance. It is used for turnover above 5 crores. And there are three methods in this. And the third one is the cash budget method, which is used for the seasonal businesses which do not have the regular cash flow income.
No, everything is correct, except that regarding the limits you were telling, probably you are interchanging MPBF and turnover, the other one. That is what I am worried. Just a minute. I think there is some error in it. There is MPBF method, turnover method, like that ना. दोनों interchange कर दिया ना, क्या पता नहीं.
Okay. Turnover
उसका
method
बाद
up to 5 crore.
I am holding a different view. Maybe I am
Yes,
wrong.
sir.
थोड़ा देखना है, वो हमारा बुक से थोड़ा वेरीफाई कर लीजिए, बात नहीं.
Yes,
वेरीफाई
sir. Yes,
करके
sir.
हमको
Yes,
मैसेज भेज दीजिए.
yes, sir. I have seen. Yeah, I think up to 5 crore turnover method. Above 5 crore, it's MPBF
Up to 5 crore?
turnover method.
हाँ.
Up to
हेलो.
5. Up to, hello.
हाँ.
Up to 5 crore turnover method and above 5 crore MPBF method is used.
अच्छा, हमने दूसरा मपी सोच रहा हूँ. हमारा बुक से थोड़ा वेरीफाई करके बता दीजिए ना, बात
Okay.
नहीं.
Okay, sir.
अभी नहीं.
Okay, I will do it.
Otherwise, there is no problem. You have been answering very well. Absolutely no problem. And next question is working capital, you have told. Term loan also you have explained about DSCR. Then some more questions can be asked about what are the various things we'll be looking into in deciding about financing to term loan. And can you tell me about the, say, Nabard? What do you know about Nabard?
Nabard stands for National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. It was established on 12th July 1982 to finance the rural, to provide credit facilities and to refinancing for rural development and agriculture facilities. Currently, it controls it gives a refinance to the various RRBs and cooperative banks.
Good. Can you tell me something about NHB?
The National Housing Bank is the subsidiary of Reserve Bank of India. It was established to control to give credit to the to credit and refinance various housing banks in India.
Can you explain SIDBI?
Sorry, sir.
What is the expansion of SIDB?
SIDB, a small industry development Bank of India.
Where is its headquarters?
It's Lucknow.
Who is the chairman?
Sorry, sir.
Subramanian Raman. Subramanian Raman. Okay. Can you name the finance minister of India?
Sir, Shrimati Nirmala Sitharaman.
Can you name the minister for MSME?
Sir, in recent cabinet change, it's Jitan Ram Manji from Bihar.
Super, super, super. You are from Bihar?
No, sir, I'm from Udaipur, Rajasthan.
Super, super. ये तो बहुत अच्छा से आपने बता दिया. Good.
Sir, I am little more interested in politics.
अच्छा, good. Who is the agriculture minister?
Sir, it's Shivraj Singh Chauhan from MP. He was
First class.
former CM of MP.
9.5 out of 10. Rest is in God's hands. Oh, lega, nahi
Yes, sir.
lega. Bhagwan
Yes, sir.
Jani, I am giving you 9.5 out of 10.
Okay. Any sir areas I need to improve? I think 10 days.
10, 10. 10 out of 10 कोई नहीं देगा.
No, sir. I'm asking. I have 10 days. Any areas to
अच्छा,
improve?
10 days improve के लिए, so you please go through the Central Bank of India website thoroughly, find out the in and out of it from different angle. What are their retail loans? What are their achievements? What are their awards? What are their failures? अच्छा कुछ नहीं है. Then what are their CSR responsibilities? वगैरह वगैरह आप प्रिपेयर कर दीजिए. इसका अलावा क्रेडिट एनालिसिस में in case they can, because there is nothing, all other things you are able to answer very well, कोई तकलीफ नहीं. So no problem. But be in touch with current, similarly current affair भी पढ़ लीजिए, about foreign
Yes,
also, there is international trade also, prepare कर दीजिए. ठीक है?
yes, sir.
That is what it is. You prepare for international trade also, and then term loan lending, etc. MSME especially. These interviewers, they are very fond of MSME, and that CGT MSC, some scheme is there. ये सबको they will ask details. I am not very familiar with it, इसलिए उससे हमने नहीं पूछा. बट अगले बार जब आएंगे आप रेडी करके आ जाइए, आपसे हम पूछेंगे, आप बता दीजिए. ठीक है?
Yes.
CGT MSC, ऑल द गवर्नमेंट स्कीम्स, जो कुछ आपको अच्छा लगता है. सिमिलरली द सूर्योदय योजना.
जी.
सूर्योदय योजना सुना है?
Sir, sir?
सूर्योदय योजना.
Yes, sir. Surya Dorna just recently launched scheme by the
उसको बारे
PM
में
Modi.
पूरा पढ़ लीजिए. उसको बारे
Yes, sir.
में पूरा पढ़ लीजिए. व्हाट इज द कंट्रोवर्सी इन तमिलनाडु regarding liquor?
Liquor.
Hmm.
Sorry, sir. I'm not.
Arak. Nearly
I'm not.
Sir,
55, nearly 55 people have died.
Is
yes,
it
sir.
recently?
Yeah,
I don't know, sir.
in Kallakurichi, there is a place in Tamil Nadu. More than 50 people have died because they were given some particular. What is that chemical, Jyoti? You know that? Some
Whose
methanol or
No.
tragedy is it? Sir, by whose tragedy it is known in Tamil Nadu?
yeah.
It is the
What was
news.
the what is it they were asked to drink? Some methanol or something like that. वो ड्रिंक्स का अंदर में कुछ मेथनॉल डाल के दे दिया. Some people who had assembled for some डेथ सेरेमनी, वो डेथ सेरेमनी में वो लोग एंजॉय कर रहे हैं बाय ड्रिंकिंग. वो ड्रिंक में ये लोग कुछ खराब चीज ऐड करके दे दिया.
Okay.
55 people died, more than 55.
Oh. Is it today's news? I have
Latest,
not read.
not today's, ये तो 2-3 days का न्यूज.
Sir, yes, sir.
2-3 days.
Sir.
Best wishes. Thank you. You did very
Okay, sir.
well.
Thank you. Okay, thank you, sir.
9.5 out of 10.
Thank you, sir.
God bless you. Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you.
You can take one more interview on some other date. अब पहले हमको
Okay.
डेट बता दीजिए, कब चाहिए आपको?
Yes, sir. I think I'm 29. I think it's
अच्छा,
Saturday.
आपको किस तारीख इंटरव्यू है?
Sir, between 4 to 6, and might be 4 to 6. They will.
You want on 29/6, it's Saturday.
Yes, sir. Saturday.
Shall I make it 7 o'clock for you?
Okay, sir.
7 o'clock. एक मिनट आपको मार दिया हमने. एक मिनट 22/6. You did very well.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
I think initially I had given you 9 o'clock time ना, पता नहीं. I have written here as 9 o'clock. बाद में आपने
Yes,
आया 8 o'clock. It was suitable for me. Say okay, doesn't matter. Your Central Bank of India scale 2. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye, sir. Thank you.
Bye. Jyoti, you are going for which interview?
Sir, it's a UBI Forex officer, scale 1.
Oh, Baba. नया सब्जेक्ट हमारे लिए नया
Yes, sir.
सब्जेक्ट अच्छा 1 मिनट ठहरो ज्योति 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 कुछ क्वेश्चन लिखने के लिए शुरू किया था बाद में पूरा नहीं हुआ आई रोट ओनली 5 or 10 क्वेश्चंस ज्यादा लिखा नहीं
Mm-hmm. No issues, sir.
हम्म, ज्योति दिस इज योर फर्स्ट मार्क ज्योति
Yes, sir.
यू आर MBA
Yes, sir. MBA Finance.
फ्रॉम विच स्टेट
Sir, from Jharkhand, Ranchi.
ओ प्लीज वेट
Sure, sir.
you are going for UBI. I wanted you to read book number 97 or 96.
97, sir.
Shall we start?
Sure, sir.
Should I record or not record?
So it is as per your wish. You must record it is so that I'll be able to figure out what mistakes I have done because you'll upload it on YouTube. So I'll be
Yeah,
able to figure out my mistakes as well.
yeah. Good. 1 minute.